Hello there, and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to blur something in your video using Capcut PC. Start by going to Create New and uploading some media. Drag the video you want to blur part of onto the edit line. Then go to Effects on the left of Capcut PC and search for the blur effect. After that, drag the blur effect onto the edit line and above the part of your video you want to blur. You can lengthen or shorten it so it fits the part you want blurred perfectly. Once that's done, you will see that the part you want something blurred in is fully blurred. This is normal. Now export this video as it is. Once it's exported, import this video and drag it onto the edit line. Finally, go to Basic and choose Mask. Here you can choose which form you want your blur to be and make it smaller or bigger so it fits the part you want blurred in your video. Now delete the blur effect, and as you can see, only the oval is blurred. Be sure to check out the previous videos in this playlist. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.